Hi guys, just finished up turning this Purpleheart pen, and we're going to move on to sanding it. Go and clean this up a little bit, get this out of the way. And we've got our sandpaper here. We've got 5 different sheets. We've got 180, 240, make sure I keep these in order, 320, 400, and 600. So we'll go ahead and turn the speed down to about 2,000 here. Close enough. About 2,030. Alright, clean that off. You see these are a mesh, so pretty simple to clean off. A lot of reuse out of them. They don't clog very easily. Alright, get my little mask down and off we go. Just going to use real light touch just to get the tool marks off with this one. Get all the peaks and valleys out of the way and see how we're doing. It feels nice, but you can see some of the patterns in here. Let's go ahead and get a little more aggressive on those. Right there looks like a level out here. So I can get that more in your view than mine. There we go. Leveling out real good now. Same thing going on over here. And roll that over. Take a look. Yeah, much better. Feels smooth. Spin it up, make sure it feels the same way. Yeah. And it's definitely warm too. Alright, so we'll go ahead and sand off the vertical marks we made from sanding. We'll move from this 180 to 240. Alright. 180 down, 240 up. Clean it up. Looks good, feels fantastic. Okay, 240 down, 320 coming up. Feels real nice. Sand off any vertical marks we may have put in just now. Okay, 320 down, 400 coming up. And grab it here. There we go. Okay, that was 600. Okay, and let's go ahead and stuff out of order there, my sandpapers. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean that, and then we'll move on to polishing.